In this video tutorial I will show you how to get the missing profile lock option on your Facebook account. First open our Facebook app. Then tap on the menu button in the bottom right. Expand this Help and Support option. Select Report a Problem. Scroll down and select a profile. Here we need to explain to them what the problem is. You can write something like this. And also you can add screenshot where the option is missing. After that, just send the report and the Facebook team should respond to you. That is the only way how to get the missing profile lock option on Facebook.